10 simple knee mobility exercises to improve flexibility and reduce stiffness. First one, knee circles, 10 repetitions for each direction. Place your hands gently on your knees, bend your knees slightly and make small and controlled circles. Let's do together for 10 counts. Hold your kneecaps and circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now reverse. 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Keep those knees moving. Second one, hip circles, 10 repetitions for each directions. Stand tall with your feet comfortable and place your hands on your hips. Make slow and gentle circle with your hips. Let's start together for 10 counts. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, big circle, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now reverse. Touch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Mobile hips help support healthy knee movements. Third one, ankle circles, 10 repetitions for each foot. If you want support, you can hold on to a chair or wall for balance. Lift your right foot slightly and slowly rotate your ankle. Let's do together for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now other leg. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Good ankle mobility supports your knees. Next up, heel slides, 10 repetitions for each leg. Sit on the floor with your legs straight and slowly slide your right heel towards your hip, then extend the leg back out. Let's do for 10 counts. Step 1 and stretch. 2, pull and stretch. 3, stretch. 4, extend. 5, extend. 6, extend. 7, extend. 8, stretch. 9, stretch. And last one, stretch. Now other leg. Left leg, stretch. Pull 1 and stretch. 2, stretch. 3, stretch. 4, stretch, 5, stretch, 6, stretch, 7, stretch, 8, stretch, 9, stretch, 10, and stretch. Relax. Now leg swings. Stand beside a wall or chair for support. Keep your body tall and gently swing your leg forward and backward. Start with your right leg for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now switch to other side. Left leg. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Keep the movement relaxed and controlled. Next up, wall squat. Lean your back flat against a wall and walk your feet forward and slide down until your knee form a 90-degree angle with thighs parallel to the floor and hold it for 30 seconds. Let's hold together for 30 seconds. Stretch. Now more breathing without and engage your core. Keep holding 15 seconds more. We're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. Next one, standing hamstring curl for strengthen the hamstrings. Hold a wall or chair for balance and bring your heels towards your glutes, then lower it slowly. Let's do it together for 10 repetitions. 1, down. 2, curl and down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. 10, down. Now other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, excellent, stronger hamstrings. Now we'll do seated knee extension. Sit tall on a chair with both feet on the floor and slowly straighten your right leg and pause briefly and lower it back down. Let's do it for 10 counts. Start. 1. Right leg extension and drop it down. 2. Stretch and drop. 3. Stretch, drop. 4. Stretch, pause and drop. 5. Stretch and drop. 6. Stretch, drop. 7. Stretch, drop. 8. Stretch, drop. 9. Stretch, drop. 10. Stretch, drop. Relax. Now other side. Left leg, stretch up and drop. 2. Stretch, drop. 3. Stretch, drop. 4. Stretch, drop. 5. Extend, drop. 6. Drop. 7. Drop. 8. Drop. 9. Drop. 10. Drop. Excellent. Keep your movement smooth and stronger. Now we are moving on to step knee rises. Stand behind your step with good posture. Step up and slowly bring one knee towards your chest, then lower it down slowly. Let's do it for 10 counts for each sides. Go, start. 1, rise up and drop. 2, step up, knee rise and drop. 3, engage your core and exhale through mouth. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Step knee rises help improve knee and hip mobility, balance and coordination. Last one, controlled partial squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and push your hips slightly back and bend your knees into a small and comfortable squat. Then return to standing position. Let's start for 10 repetitions. 1, up, 2, 0 motion, down and up. 3, 4, 5, 6, keep going, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. We are done. Now we'll go for stretchings. First one, hamstring. Hold it for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now other side. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next, calf stretch. Close towards wall and keep your front foot on the wall. Lean forward gently and hold. Relax. Next, other leg. Feel the stretch on your calf muscles and relax. Quadriceps. Fold your right knee and hold the ankle and hold it for a few seconds. Switch to other side. Hold. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out for 8 counts. Stretch. Inhale through nose. Exhale through mouth. 2. Out through mouth. 3. Inhale through nose. Exhale through mouth. 4. Inhale through nose. Exhale through mouth. 5. Inhale through nose. Exhale through mouth. Relax. Rub your palms till it warm. Rub it on your eyes, face and neck. Fantastic job. Regular mobility exercises can help keep your knees flexible, comfortable and moving well. Practice regularly, move at your own pace and never force any movement. If you found this workout helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Rhythm and Health and share it with someone who wants stronger and healthier knees. Thank you for joining me today. Stay active, stay strong, and I will see you in the next workout. See you. Thank you.